did the Constitution framers see this happening? The highest leaders of the land being both facing impeachment complaints.
Well, ang nakalagay po sa ating saligang batas says President and Vice President. So sa ating kasaysayan, only presidents, no, ang nai-impeach. Vice President, mukhang wala pa tayo. Na kung sabay po ito, this is a milestone, a breakthrough, the first of its kind sa Philippine history. Only in the Philippines po, says.
Only in the Philippines. Gagawa na naman tayo ng record. Pero attorney, did you see this happening? That it's a possibility that the country will be facing?
Well, we never contemplated that says in the House. I was the majority floor leader at that time when this matter was being discussed. So, hindi ko po makita na sabay po sila, no? Kasi nakita po namin na impeach ang presidente, papalit ang vice-presidente. But kung sabay po, medyo beyond our wildest imagination at that time.
What about, attorney, na-imagine nyo ba dati na ganito ka-heavily politicized possibly magyari, no, ang isa around on impeachment, a certain impeachment from what we saw last year to what we're seeing this year? Did you guys, as the framers in 1987, think, well, baka pala gamitin to heavily ngayong may supermajority, etc.?
Well, always, Sean, ang impeachment ay political, no? Highly politicized. If we study all impeachment complaints, time of Dato Macapagal, tapos kay President Marcos, kay President GMA, kay Joseph Estrada, highly politicized po, no? Talaga pong voting along party lines at involved po ang public sa prosesong ito. So this will be highly politicized like all other impeachment complaints involving the highest public officials of the land.